Hello everyone, welcome to fluttercoder.e. In last video we have seen that how we can display the snake bar on the screen in our Flutter application. If you haven't checked out that video, just go and watch it now. And in this guide we are going to see that how we can display the material banner in our screen. So let's go with that. Let me just do the banner demo. Oops. And let's replace this with the text button. And yes, and inside the on brace we are gonna make use of the scaffold messenger. So scaffold messenger of context dot show material banner, and this will usually requires a material banner instance that we need to pass with the content. And as we can see that content will be accepting a widget, so we can display the text. I should wait up. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. And it will require the accents. So we can see that it is the list of widget. So we can just have the text button, and which will be anything. Let's have this. So this way, let me just update this with the elevated button. So let's click on that one. So this is how we can have the material banner, which is in between of the app bar and the body that we are having, and the content will be displayed in such manner. So let's just customize it a bit so we can view it properly. So let's have some padding. Let's have some background color. Let me just see that how we can dismiss this out. So on actions, as we can see, again we can use the scaffold messenger dot of context dot hide current material banner. So we can make use of that, and we can hide the current material banner which is being displayed. So let me just rerun to start this application, and wow, that's how we can do it. But let me just customize it a bit. So let's have the save 300, and that's how this material banner is being displayed in between the app bar and the body on the screen at the top, and how we can display the actions over there as well that will be used. And as we can see that we can always go through the different parameters that are being there over here, and we can make use of those parameters to customize this material banner a bit. So let's have the animation, then we can have the leading icon, and if need to force the action below of the message, then we can also do that. So let's just have it. So this is how the leading icon is being displayed, the content is being displayed, and the button that we have. So if we have the more than one button or more than one action item, then we can display it in such manner. So hey there, why did you wake me up? Is there any battle we are fighting? We already won, and let's battle now. So that's how we can make use of the scaffold messenger and the current screen context to display the material banner at the top of our screen. And we can also define the action items over there, and we can dismiss it out with the same scaffold messenger. So that's how it being displayed, and that is how we can make use of it. So that is what we have for the material banner, and that's how it is being displayed in our Flutter mobile application. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it to the friends. To learn more similar kind of things, stay tuned. Thank you very much.